fender bent. It's not supposed to be like that. This thing took a great big old hit right on the bumper, bent this, damaged stuff, and the frame rail in another video where I fixed it, that's how that frame rail got damaged. So let's save this fender. Man, it's mint, except for this area. Let me show you. Welcome back, Junks Automotive. So you kind of see, and then whoop. So this whole thing is twisted. Of course, the hood, you see how it's twisted, should be more like that, not like that. Part of the problem is it's not connected to anything, so I take the fender off. I want to chase my threads down there because it actually has threads. The brackets, nothing's rotted out. You know, it's not an Indiana fender. This is a Texas fender. I do have the radiator support, but this was bent like, woo, it was bad. I think I have it somewhere, but it's not worth fixing, so I bought one. All right, so I want to get it attached solid so I can use some leverage. See if we can't pull this out, just kind of rough it in and make me feel better, because it just kind of looks like a old-time stock car. Ow! Ow! Golly! Core support, radiator support, lightly tossed in. So it's in the neighborhood. It's in the neighborhood. There's a bolt that goes right there. Got her bolted down here at the bottom. And it's bolted up here. Of course, the fender needs to come up, but you'll notice how it's sticking out. But I think by the time we fix that, it'll actually go in a little bit. You know, it'll come back where it's supposed to go, and the fender can go in. I can adjust that tab that it mounts to, so I'm not too worried about that. Now I just want put a load on that, hit it right there. I don't know, something. See what we can come up with. Oh, it's getting there. Better than it was. I might have to have the hood on it to get it. Oh, I want. Look at that thing. Right here. Get there. Well, it's better than it was. I'm still out just a little bit right here. This is almost gone. Still out just a little bit here, and there's also a dent right here. Probably from the collision, it's hard to say, so we're still kind of, so I think really what I need to do, get the other fender on, get the hood on, see how it fits here. I think that's my mainest thing right now, and make sure I have good, nice, usable driver pieces that go here to make sure this is shaped right. Then we'll be taking the fender off, cutting that bracket out right there, okay, and then I can get behind that and dolly that out the rest of the way. You know, it's better than it was, but it's so kinked. I'm just gonna have to get in it and do some heating and some shrieking, and I don't like heating sheet metal like that, but it does help. It did help bring that out a little bit, so we're you know, you can see the waviness right through here, or I might just keep an eye out for a nicer fender. But this fender is really, I mean, it's rust free. It's really rust free. There's no rust on it. So I'd like to be able to fix this, and we got a good start, right? So hey, thanks for popping in. Remember, if any of this was easy, everybody be doing it. So for one night and about an hour, I got that fender quite a bit more usable, right? Cheers. See you guys Sunday. Oh, we got a special guest coming to paint those. I'm getting them prepped up for him. I ain't painting them. I ain't doing it. My old buddy's gonna come by and do it. So stick around. See you Sunday.